Good morning, dear students. I will take revision from chapter 6. Name of the chapter 6 is the combustion and flame. First one is the keywords. What is the calorific value? The amount of heat energy produced on complete combustion of 1 kg of fuel in pure oxygen. What is the combustion? The chemical process in which substances burn in air or oxygen with the release of heat and light energy. Explosion. When spontaneous combustion takes place in an enclosed space such that there is internal supply of air, oxygen with release of a large amount of sound, heat, light and mechanical energy. What is a flame? A region of burning gases is called a flame. Fuel. Any substance which is easily available and burns in air at a moderate rate, producing a large amount of heat energy without leaving behind undesirable residue. What is the fuel efficiency? The heat produced by burning completely 1 kg of a fuel is called fuel efficiency. What is the global warming? The phenomena due to which heat is trapped in the atmosphere because of the excessive amount of carbon dioxide such that it leads to. What is the global warming? The phenomena due to which heat is trapped in the atmosphere because of the excessive amount of carbon dioxide such that it leads to melting of polar ice caps and change in weather pattern is called the global warming. What is the ideal fuel? A fuel which is cheap, easily available, easily stored, has higher calorific value and does not produce any harmful residue gases on combustion is called the ideal fuel. What is the ignition temperature? The minimum temperature to which a substance is heated before it catches fire. What is the inflammable substance? The substance which have a low ignition temperature, generally less than 100 degree Celsius. Now come to the roundup. The materials such as wood, coal, coke, hydrogen, petroleum gas, compressed natural gas, alcohol and ether are combustible materials. For the combustion reaction, there must be combustible material, support of combustion, temperature of combustible materials higher than the ignition temperature. The substances such as LPG, CNG, petrol, ether, alcohol, diesel oil, kerosene oil are the inflammable substances. And a candle flame consists of 4 zones. First one is the blue zone, second one is the dark inner zone, third one is the luminous zone and non-luminous zone. The gaseous fuels are the best fuels on account of their easy transportation, low ignition temperature, high calorific value, complete combustion and complete control on the rate of combustion. The combustion of fossil fuels produces carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, nitrogen dioxide, sulfur dioxide, smoke and dust particles which produce breathing problems and acid rain. This is all about chapter 6 combustion and flame, and today I have uploaded that this chapter question answers, and you can write in copy. No need of writing multiple choice, fill in the blanks and all. Only you have to write answer the following in the copy, and you have to complete your copy. And chapter 15 I will upload within 2 days, and this chapter today I have given, and you have to write in your GSC copy. So syllabus completed. Now it's time to write in the copy, and you can download it from the study material and you have to write in your copy.